Good morning, everybody. So I left Cedarville, California this morning, and I'm in somewhere in the middle of Nevada on just this motorcycle road. This is a motorcycle road. It is perfect. I haven't seen anybody all morning. Also, I haven't seen any gas stations. And I'm more than halfway through my range. So that's a little concerning. This is what I love about not having a plan. I have no idea where I'm going to end up today. I hope I don't end up out of gas. But I believe the highway number I'm on is 447. And I'm probably 50 miles south of Cedarville, California. And it's just beautiful. It's been all twisties this morning. Just curvy roads. Pretty decent shape. And as you can see, I have it to myself. It's pretty cool.